Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger or the pen up gently and hold it right in the middle. But if you've got the three buttons navigation, then you will have to find the recent button, and it should look like a 3 bars icon. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close only one of it or manually all of them just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, then simply tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. So let's enter the recents, and as you can see, our device simply automatically turned off all previously opened apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.